Hello everyone, welcome to Sources class. With respect to questions pertaining to the quantity aptitude section of the paper. So if you talk about the QA section in general, this year around the paper seemed to be a little bit on the difficult side. There is the question were a little bit more critical and involved in a deeper understanding of the subject matter just to solve the questions in general. So what we'll be doing in this particular video is that we'll be focusing ourselves on a certain question from the paper and subsequently we'll try and understand the approach involved to solving the same. Okay. So having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. How many factors of 1296 have exactly 3 factors? Okay, so this is a question over here. So let's take a look how we can approach the same. So the number here is 1, 2, 9 and 6. Okay, so if we prime factorize the same, we can write this as 12 3 9 2 2 6 8 4 2 7 9 and 3. Okay, so this is what we have. So number of 2 being 1 2 3 4. So basically 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4. Okay, so this is the actual representation of 1296 in terms of its basic prime factors. Okay, now try and understand one thing. Okay, what we have been asked is that exactly 3 factors. So we need factors having exactly 3 factors. Okay, now let me give you a very important concept over here. Okay, suppose for any number to have 3 factors, we need, suppose the number's basic prime factors is of the form x to the power n, and it is said that it has exactly 3 factors. So we know number of factors in this regards will be given as n plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, plus 1 we add to the exponent and of the basic prime factor, and subsequently we get the total number of factors. Therefore n has to be equal to 2. So therefore whichever number we need should have to be perfect square of basic prime factors. So perfect square of primes, that is x should be of the form x square. Okay, now why I say prime, suppose I take a number say 16 square, so this can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 2 or 2 to the power 8, so it will actually have 9 factors. Okay, so this condition becomes simply null and void. Okay, so we only need primes, basically perfect square of primes. So in this regards what we can have is that 2 to the power square into 0, this will be 1, and 0 into 3, sorry my bad, not 0, 2 square into 3 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 0 into 3 square, because these are the only two possibilities, that is 4 and 9. So only this will have exactly 3 factors, and both 4 and 9 are factors of 1 4 and 9 6. Okay, so therefore we have only two such numbers, two such factors which basically satisfy all the condition, hence our answer will be option 2. Okay, so that is all about. So I hope this question is clear to you. It was a very interesting question, just you needed to understand the concept regarding the perfect square. So once you know that, you should be easily able to solve the same. Okay, so any difficulty you might be seeing as far as solution of the same is concerned, kindly go through the video. I don't think you should face any further issue in regards to that as well. Now, having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email addresses, and also our numbers for contact to WhatsApp. So any doubt you have with regards to your competitive exam preparation, if you need any guidance or strategy for the same, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out as well. Also, if you have any doubt with respect to our any subject, any course, any content, any topic that you need further explanation upon and feel the requirement of expertise, do let us know as well. Okay. So if you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel so we keep coming up with relevant courtesy suggestions further down the line. Having said that, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.